Hey there, gamers. Are you tired of your old clunky game controller holding you back from reaching your full potential on your Nintendo Switch? Well, I've got good news for you. I have recently discovered the TNS-19252 gaming controller stick Gamepad, and let me tell you, it has revolutionized my gaming experience. This game controller is not just your average accessory, it's a gamachanger. With its sleek black design and ergonomic grip, it fits perfectly in your hand, giving you the ultimate comfort during those marathon gaming sessions. But that's not even the best part. The TNS-19252 controller is wireless, so you no longer have to worry about getting tangled up in cords while you're in the heat of battle. And get this, it's also compatible with the PD protocol, allowing you to charge your Switch while you play. No more interruptions due to a dead battery, my friends, but wait, there's more. This controller is equipped with a powerful 6-axial gyroscope, providing accurate and responsive motion control. And let's not forget about the dual motor vibration, adding an extra layer of realism to your gaming experience. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to your old, outdated controller and level up your gaming with the TNS-19252 gaming controller stick Gamepad. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever gamed without it. And the best part? You can easily get your hands on this gamachanger accessory by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the chance to take your gaming to the next level. Subscribe to my channel for more game reviews and hit that link to get your very own TNS-19252 game controller today. Let's elevate our gaming experience together.